one thing about me, I'ma do a voiceover. Okay, so this is a nice quick one. So I just wanted to show you guys how I like to really clean my brushes, especially when I've done a super bright look like I did today with the neon pigments, because we know damn well we're not doing pigment again tomorrow. I'm back to my sexy nude. Okay, so listen, this brush mat actually folds down and folds back up again, so you can use it as a bowl, you can actually use it as a flat mat. Where did I do that at? Okay, so listen, it's got like the little ridges on the inside, and you just like run your brush bristles across it. Look how I'm squeezing it. Yes, get that glitter out. Let me tell you, because ice halo be haloing and you don't want it stuck in your brushes, but look how easily it comes out. I told you I'm a lazy makeup artist. I want you all to look amazing, feel amazing, but I also don't want to add extra years to your life of you cleaning brushes. Exactly. Like, who really wants to be cleaning brushes for 1,000 hours? Not me. I'd rather be eating cookies. But look, I did 2 rinses and it was done. Look at that. Look at that. Come through, ridges.